Hey everybody, so today we're going to be talking about these barbecue grill gloves. I saw these, I didn't know if it was a gimmick or not. I got them and I absolutely love them. They are resistant of heat up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 932 degrees Fahrenheit, and we normally are cooking, especially if we're smoking or something like that. We're smoking at, like 175 to 230, and if we're really grilling, then we're like talking 400 degrees tops. Otherwise, you're just going to burn your meat. These are 14 inches long. They come with these natural hanging pieces here, so that's what I do. I just put them with my apron, put them up in my cupboard. When I opened up and I looked on the inside, what I noticed is I do some stunts and we do a lot of fireworks, and our gear that we use looks and feels exactly what it is on the inside. So I'm thinking it's probably some kind of heat resistant, fire retardant kind of material like that. But when you touch it on the outside, it feels like a mitten. But it's not a mitten at all whatsoever. And if you see these here, this is all for grip. So they're ambidextrous. The left is right and right is left. It has grip everywhere, so that when you're pulling out your meat, whether it's straight off the grill, whether it's straight out of the oven, this works 100%. Most size fits all. It's great for barbecuing. It's great for frying. It's great for baking. It's a grill and it's a kitchen accessory. It's made out of premium quality, and this is how it fits. This is what it looks like here. And what I love is that it comes up high on your arms, because when you're reaching in, if you had them short, you reach in and then you're going to burn and singe the hair on your arms here. But this gives you 14 inches of space to work with, so that you're not being hurt at all whatsoever. The only thing that I don't like about it, and this is a personal thing, it has nothing to do with the design of this glove, is that because it works like your hands and you're just grabbing and picking stuff up, it is very easy for you to forget that you don't have it on, and then you reach in and you grab it and now you just burned your hand. But like I said, that has nothing to do with the design of this and everything to do with user era. So one size, it mostly fits all. It works for everybody in our household. The inner layer consists of a blend of polyester. It's 45% polyester and 55% cotton. It has comfort. It actually is very warm. It feels like mittens on the inside. It's comfortable to wear. It doesn't feel very like hard, or it doesn't feel crunchy. It doesn't feel any other kind of way. This is the only color that I know of that it comes in. It keeps your hands clean as well. It's flame retardant. It's heat resistant. Like I said, it comes up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit or 500 degrees Celsius, depending on where you are. And either way, you're not cooking anything more than 500 degrees Celsius in Canada either. Safety and its environmental protection. It consists of environmentally friendly materials, so that's cool. So you know there's not a bunch of chemicals in here that's somehow magically not allowing you to burn yourself. The environmental protection is another way good to go. And you also would like that because you don't want to be grabbing your food and grabbing your meat with something that might burn off or drip into your food, and that's not the case with this because it is environmentally safe. It's good for indoor, it's good for outdoor. It avoids the danger of scalding and boiling your hands. And I love the fact that it says hot, so that you know that it's hot. I like that. I like the black and I like the red. I do love the design. It could have just been a black glove or a white glove or whatever kind of glove, but they decided to go that way, and I'm happy that they did because I like it. I like it a lot. What else can I say about this glove? It has a lifetime warranty, which I thought was fantastic, because even though it's good for up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, you could easily leave it in your grill and close it by accident, and I'm pretty sure it might burn up, but then again, it might not. Maybe we should do that and see how that works with that. Like I said, I love the design of it. There's a bunch of other different designs, but the best one that I really like is that it has all of these grips, so that when you are gripping something, especially when it's hot, you're going to get the extra added grip to it. They're very light. They don't weigh anything. I mean, they're only 10.2 ounces, 14 inches long, and it's got great reviews. After I got them, I looked online, and everybody is in love with these, as am I. I love the fact that they went the route of one size fits most or fits all, because at 14 inches, like, even though it fits my hand and I'm 6 foot, 230 pounds, it goes all the way down to a little kid. A little kid could do it as well. So there you have it. You have the barbecue grill gloves, good for 932 degrees Fahrenheit, 500 degrees Celsius, heat resistant grilling gloves, also great for barbecuing, frying, and baking. Great for the kitchen, indoor, outdoor. Has these grips so that you can actually pick up a pot, especially if you're cooking with cast iron, because those jokers heat up very nicely. So there you have it. I'm going to give this 18 thumbs up. Great purchase, and I am happy with it. I even still have some room, even though they're 14 inches long. So if you're even bigger than me, I'm going to say do it to it. Go out and grill something. Have a great day.